Boy, my Jamaican people are always festive, innit? Listen, so a little thing go on with Queenie and go on with Popcaan. Queenie and Popcaan kick off. Well, I've seen the videos and all that, and it more look like Queenie kick off by herself. Alright, and just a drag Popcaan. That's my opinion. My subscribers are saying, SouFLo, how come you not talking about Queenie and how Popcaan diss her big time in front of VIPs in England and whatnot? Listen up, since you draw me out, here I am. At the end of this, I'm going to give my opinion. This video won't be more than 10 minutes long. So listen up. Shout out to Dancehall Mag, because Dancehall Mag laid it out proper. Dancehall Mag said Queenie trashes Popcaan after he curved her at a Beenie Man's show in London. I don't know if y'all know it, but Beenie Man fly out of Jamaica, gone, left Uno in the pandemic. No lockdown for him and stringent rules and regulations like that. He is doing shows and making pounds. Alright, so big up to Beenie Man for that. The king back on the road again. The king, but not the king of dancehall at the moment. Don't get it twisted. Anyhow, watch me. So the unruly boss Popcaan has found himself on the wrong side of the double top artist. Remember, Queenie just do a song Double Tap. I believe The Angel was a part of it and these kind of things. And social media personality Queenie, gangster or Lady Gangster aka Queenie, after a perceived slight at the Ray and Nephew concert that was headlined by Beenie Man in London on Friday night. Big things go on. The drama began brewing after Queenie uploaded an exclusive expletive-laden video which she took on her way from the event, aimed at Popcaan, accusing him of disrespecting her by abruptly walking away from her as she was trying to exchange her pleasantries with him. From what I've heard, this is how it went down. Coming on to read out whole of Dancehall Mag thing, but y'all can go over there, support Dancehall Mag. Come like big up my Jamaican people them and them thing. The dancehallmag.com have the full story with the full videos and everything. Seen? So, from what I've heard and what I've seen through this whole layout, Popcaan is in England. Him fly out and left Jamaica gone to in the pandemic. No stringent rules and regulations and lockdown and these things. He's over there enjoying life. So, big star Popcaan goes to a Beenie Man event or Beenie Man headlined event in the UK, and Queenie is there. Alright, Queenie is there, and Queenie must have come across Popcaan now and say, as far from the videos I've seen, you know, she hail him up and thing. But you know when you're hailing up a star and the star act like they move away from you real quick and act like you're some overzealous fan who they don't want to meet. Can you know if Queenie did little and sexy and her body did, you know, and she a little 22-year-old, and you know, Popcaan probably would have hold her up, drape her up and give her a big hug and these things, but I'm sure he knows who Queenie is. So, so I think that is where the thing comes in. And I'm going to tell you why I know he knows who Queenie is. Because of his comment after about little IG followers. Right there, sir? Let me know, say, him know who Queenie is. Or maybe somebody from him entourage press him and say, yo, you know, see the video them on social media, dog. Yeah, a Queenie man. Yeah, a Shia. And him a say, who are Queenie? And them pull up Double Tap, The Angel, this, that. And him a say, oh, that one there. Some IG star. Like, she is not worthy of his level of stardom then. That's how I go on. Queenie is very offended by this. Queenie left a whole bunch of messages. I'm going to make hear some of what she had to say. Alright, here are now.
Go on. It's in there, darling. Yeah, because green is prosperity. Yes, say yes, God, I'm blessed. I'm a lucky number. Yeah, Beenie Man, big up yourself. It doesn't come from real nephew. Popcaan, you can fuck off. Unruly Popcaan. After me say, I say, hey, St. Thomas, man, want my queen this. You come insult me and I walk off. Fuck off. You sing one fuck off song. Fuck off, Popcaan. Fuck you. Double tap for all our clean fat pussy girl. And none of your blood clot friend them can't do me nothing. Because God damn it couldn't do me nothing. Because you insult me. I was being polite, but through my blood clot up what me at girl. So I'm going to tell the insult, but fuck off, Popcaan. Fuck you. Fuck off. Beenie Man, I love you. Zim Zima, who got the key to the baby? Hey, be the man. A Grammy you get. Let's see what the goal for. Fuck off, Popcaan. You're not getting a Grammy yet. Move your blood clot. Me, I struggle for Grammy. Ha ha ha. Maybe I get the Grammy before you, Popcaan. Fuck you.
So Queenie said, Queenie said basically she and Popcaan are struggling for a Grammy. So maybe she even get the Grammy before him. You know, them have something in her life, you know, we say, if it not dead, don't dash it away. Them have a next thing say, don't count people out and don't underestimate anybody. What a with a rotted clotted if Queenie gonna do a song and get a Grammy after speaking all this about Popcaan, or Popcaan never get one. Eh? So anyway, she big up Beanie Man and she say, yeah, Beanie, me see you with a goal something, you get your Grammy, a Grammy you get. Yeah, me and Popcaan. Who is Popcaan? Basically is what she's saying. So she felt very offended. Very, very offended how Popcaan do her. And from what I'm hearing, it was a lot of VIP people because it was in the VIP section. Enough important people was in there. So when Popcaan dash and go so and say, yo, move from around here. So like that kind of attitude, it kind of hurt her feelings really, really bad. You know, people in England, they're probably looking like, yo, that's Queenie and she chilling with Popcaan and them. But when she draw closer, the argument changed. Now people are able to laugh and say, yo, that's Queenie. She went over to where Popcaan them was, brethren, and Popcaan run the girl, you know, and she not no real star. She just acted like she a star, but the stars them don't really recognize her. So this could be very damaging for our brand. Depend on who was there and how you want to take it. That's how I look at it. People are asking me, SouFlo, you think Sir Popcaan did anything wrong at all? Well, listen to some more of what Queenie have to say again. Here are now. She said, alright, but now that play too long. So that was the video of her greeting Popcaan, and she has said something about, hey, St. Thomas man, are you this? And all that. And she looked like she went to go put her hand around Popcaan and put the camera in front of him face. Cause I'm Queenie and I'm, you know, me I pass through, me a celebrity too. So me I take a picture with you and respect you as a celebrity and show some love. Right? But Popcaan did not take it that way. Popcaan slide with front of her real quick and run across the room like, yo, security, get her kind of thing, you know? So, but Queenie though, ease up. After that, Queenie's feelings are so hurt that after that she just made video after video after video. Popcaan dropped a response on IG. I have the copy of his response here, and I'm taking it from Dancehall Mag. When you can go over there, go read the whole thing. Again, big up to Dancehall Mag. Popcaan's response the next day says, couple IG followers make them swear them a celebrity. Laughing, crying faces 5 times. And then, oh, so sad, or so sad. Queenie never take that right neither. She blow up, she huff and she puff. She say more away she fi say. She cuss. That's what Queenie does. The last piece of ranting from Queenie was this. Then I'm going to give my final summation of this whole thing. Yeah.
Blood clot, but look at IG followers and them think them are celebrities. So, I'm a celebrity you acknowledge. Where Jake don't like you. I'm gonna sing your thing. But do every blood clot thing, my cuss. Me preach, my counsel, my mother, my wife, my queen. I want to your Popcaan. Get a hold of your dirty blood clot self. You're gone too far. How you this? How you insult? And think on Africa kill blood clot me. Remember me telling the bumble wall that. Till death do us blood clot part. Cause me, never stay silent. And anybody will send me any blood clot trip. My life up on your blood clot head. You hear that?
Yes, so, you know, Queenie look like so she feel like so somebody might page her or these kind of things because, you know, Popcaan roll with the dogs them and she don't really know, but our perception is that things might happen if she get too vocal about the situation. Anyway, here is my summation of the whole thing. Queenie must understand that she is a star. She is. I'm not going to knock her down. She's a star. She's not my favorite star, but she's a star. People who've been following SouFLoTV for a while know that I even used one of Queenie videos a couple of years ago as an example of the kind of Jamaicans them that we feel like if we stay at Jamaica. You know, because on my platform I promote decency, and I promote people who carry themselves in a certain manner, so that when the world is judging them and using them to judge a whole country, that they must see a good example. Not somebody like what Queenie did a go on with at the time back in the day. So me use our picture, our video for them thing there already as an example of somebody who is not too kosher, but she had do her thing, and that cannot be denied. However, she is not at the star level that Popcaan is at. Okay, Queenie must understand that even in big Hollywood, they have A-listers, B-listers, and C-listers stars. She's probably a star, but at a C-list level. She not reach A-list level yet. Popcaan at A-list level. And Popcaan is not obligated to speak to and take pictures with every and anybody. If he refuses to, it's his right. So we're gonna left it right there. So leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell what you think about this one. Was Popcaan out of place and wrong, or is Queenie making too much of this, or Poppy right and Queenie wrong? Talk up. I'm out. Peace.